Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Be Researcher World Forum online training on how to become a researcher. Today we're going to discuss the research methodology design, the heart of any research. This is the research methodology. That means methodology to solve or address your research objective, research question, or hypothesis. So this is one of the most important part of a research what you are going to accomplish. But before diving into the lecture, again, we want to remind you something, which is the main focus throughout the whole course. That is, we are trying to cover all the steps here to become a researcher, which we call that this is the general process of research or research methodology. So we have already covered this thing, that is the identification of research topic or problem, then how to write literature review or conduct literature review. Then we also discuss about how to specify research questions or research objective. Then also again research questions, we have already covered this, and also how to develop a conceptual framework. That means the prediction of your research outcome. That means an assumption of early assumption of your research outcome, which we can call research hypothesis. All the things already have covered. Now we are going to discuss how to design your research method, to address your research question or research objective. Because we already said that in few fields you don't need to write research questions or hypotheses. We can complete our research with objective as well, specifically when you are going to do engineering research, or scientific research. Then we can complete it with the objective as well. So inshallah, we'll see all the things practically from this article. Again, in the previous lecture, Dr. Rashidul Islam, he already covered how to write a research proposal, and where he discussed about the structure of a research article. And we already mentioned that structure of a research article and the process of becoming a researcher is not completely similar thing. Okay, there are some similarities. Okay, this is the complete research process from choosing a topic to write a paper. But how to write a paper, or what is the elements of a ideal paper or a structure of a paper, already covered by the lecture of Dr. Rashidul Islam. Those who are new or did not cover this lecture, please go through it. I think it will be more helpful for you. But don't mix up these two things. We already we are reminding this thing again and again, during the whole the course, so that you can differentiate between these two things. But the main focus of this course is to teach you or show you how to become a researcher. That means the research process. This course is not extensively focused on how to write research article. Okay, we are making the things clear more again and again. Okay, inshallah. So today we are going to discuss research methodology, and there are some differences between method and methodology, and what are the elements of research methodology. And again, we are going to discuss some tips or guidelines to write a strong research methodology. Okay, let's come to the first. What is research methodology? Just I have added two books here. That books I did not read at all. Okay, I just searched on Google and found this book, but you can go through it for references. Okay, but from the name suggest, it says the research methodology. It simply refers to the practical how. That means you have selected any topic, research topic. Okay, just for example, we as a part of this course, we have set many examples. Am I right? Can you recall any of them? We have set many examples in our discussion. Can you tell me any of them, or tell me any research problem or idea you want to address? Okay. Just for example, I am asking Saiduzzaman. So the recent paper you have published, what is the title of the paper? Saiduzzaman, can you hear me? Muhammad Saiduzzaman. Okay, probably he's not hearing me. So just for example, we can take any example. As an example of this course, we have discussed that we are, as far I can recall, that we are going to detect facial emotion, using computer vision. Just for example, as a part of mobile device or as a part of desktop application or any computing device, we want to detect the facial emotion or the facial appearance. So my target is to detect the facial emotion, or whether he is now angry mood, whether he is now depressed mood or something like that. There are many ways to detect it. So how you are going to detect the facial emotion? The practical, that means which algorithm, which technique, which model, or whatever research you are going to do, how you will do it. That is the practical way to solve anything. So we are calling it the research methodology of given piece of research. More specifically, it's about how a researcher systematically designs a study to ensure valid and reliable results that address the research aims and objectives. That means, obviously, in any research, you must have some research objective or aims. That means, again, the objective can be replaced by research question as well. So don't mix up two things. Any research can be performed with objective as well, but if you have said research question, it's also okay. And to solve, to find the answers of the research question or to address the objective, those you have designed, how you are going to solve it, or how you are going to find the solution of your research question. So that is called research methodology in brief. But if we go further, inshallah, it will be more clear.